Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush the Discovery Boss. So we're here with another video. So we're approaching this construction. Trafalgar 1 spreads out this entire length. You can't miss this. This is a very popular road. Where it's been constructed was a vacant lot for years. Narrow lot but long lot. You know, so this will be an iconic building when it's finished. Lots of traffic will be passing here as well. But this is not what we're taking a look on. We're heading on Trafalgar Road to go to HAINING Road to look at a finished construction, commercial construction that we haven't done a final video on. So that's what we're gonna do today. So stay tuned, put on your seatbelt and enjoy the ride. So on Trafalgar Road, we're going to take the left on to Worthington Avenue. So stay tuned, guys. So it's just a quick video just to see the final commercial project. Because, you know, we always start recording when they start the work. So we try to have a video when they finish the work as well. So stay tuned for that. We'll send up the drone, capture some shots of the area and some shots of the development as well. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Really appreciate you guys. So UCC on the left, Spanish Court Hotel have a supermarket on the right. Sorry about the camera shifting. Alright, so the time is a bit overcast. I don't think I've seen the sun from morning. So we're taking the right onto HAINING Road, and then we're going to take the left at DHL. So I've done probably 1 or 2 videos on this construction before, and today we're going to do that final video just to show what it's looking like, and I guess just to scan and see if there's any other new construction in the area, because you know there's a construction boom going on in Jamaica. Everybody that have some money, everybody that can afford a development is doing a development, and all those vacant lots, those rundown lots that have been there for years, now they're getting some love and some new development. So this is it, brand new building, looking nice. Almost look like an apartment because of the windows on the side and balconies. But this is it, finished project on HAINING Road. You know, one started in front, but it has paused for a very long time. So this is HR-13. I realize nowadays they're giving most commercial development the address as the name, no fancy name, but just sometimes the full name of the road. So this is HR-13, 32 units. And of course we're gonna send up the drone, get some shots, the whole works. So definitely stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so let's set up the drone. So it's gonna be drone video from here.